Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we will discuss algebra of the matrices. To study the algebra of the matrices, first of all, we have to understand the meaning of algebra. The basic meaning of algebra is some basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Since we have to study the algebra of matrices, so we will study addition of the matrices, subtraction of the matrices, multiplication of the matrices, and division. But division is not possible in matrix. So in place of division, we will study a new thing which is called inverse of matrix. Right? So let us come to the first basic operation, addition. Addition of the matrices. For addition of matrices, there are some requirements to add two matrices. First requirement is that both of the matrices are of सेम ऑर्डर। आप जिन दो मैट्रिक्स को ऐड कर रहे हो, दोनों मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए। पहली रिक्वायरमेंट ये है, मीन्स आप डिफरेंट ऑर्डर की मैट्रिसेस को ऐड नहीं कर सकते। नाउ हाउ कैन बी ऐड टू सेम ऑर्डर मैट्रिसेस? लेट अस सी, लेट अस कंसीडर a 2 by 2 matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. Let us take any other matrix V11, V12, V21, V22. Now how can we add? First of all, check the order. Its order is 2 by 2, its order is also 2 by 2. So both matrices can be added. Add the corresponding element A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22. This is the method how can we add two matrices of the same order. Let us take an example. 2, 3, 6, 7 plus 4, 9, 6, 3. Right? So let us add. First of all, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 9, 6 plus 6, 7 plus 3. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 3 plus 9 is equal to 12, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Right? This is how we add two matrices of the same order. Add the corresponding elements to find the result. In general, how can we denote the addition of the matrices? Let us see. First of all, pause the video at this moment to note down this thing. Now, if we have two matrices of same order, A is equal to Aij m cross n, the value of I varies from 1 to m and the value of j varies from 1 to n. I represents the column number I represents the row number and j represents the column number. Since total number of row is m, so the value of I varies from 1 to m. J represents the column number and total column number is n, so the value of j varies from 1 to n. Let us take any other matrix of the same order, because different order matrices cannot be added. Bij, its order is also m cross n, the value of I as such, I and j. Now a plus b. A plus b can be expressed as aij plus bij m cross n. And if, let us suppose that aij plus bij is equal to cij, then it is again a matrix of order m cross n. This is how we generally denote the addition of the matrix. Okay. To prove the different properties of the addition, we will use this definition. So kindly note down this definition. Here Cij is equal to Aij plus Vij. The value of I varies from 1 to m and the value of j varies from 1 to n. Now let us see some properties of the addition. First of all, check the commutativity. Commutativity of addition. Let us take two matrices A, Aij, its order is m cross n, and another matrix B, Bij, m cross n. Now let us check. We have to check. हमें check क्या करना है? हमें check करना है बेटा. We have to check A plus B is equal to B plus A or not. So let us see. A plus B is equal to क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? Aij plus Bij. Aij and Bij are what? These are the numbers or functions, right? So it can also be written as Bij plus Aij. There is no problem in that, in this step. Okay. Now suppose, how can I write this expression into this expression? See, Aij and Bij are numbers. Suppose Aij, Bij 2 plus 3. It can also be written as 3 plus 2. Right? 4 plus 6. It can also be written as 6 plus 4. For functions, suppose I have sin x plus cos x. Then I can also write cos x plus sin x. Right? So, if Aij plus Bij is equal to A plus B, then Bij plus Aij is equal to what? Simply, it will be equal to B plus A. Means A plus B is equal to B plus A. Right? Means matrix addition is commutative. We will get a result. Matrix addition is commutative. Similarly, this is the result. Now, note down this result. Now, let us check the associativity of the addition of the matrix. Okay, before checking the associativity, let us check the commutativity by taking an example. Suppose I have two matrices 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 2, 5, 6, 9, and another matrix 5, 6, 3, 4, 9, 5, 0, 3, 1. Now let us add. So see, 2 plus 5, 7, 3 plus 6, 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 1 plus 4, 5, 0 plus 9, 9, 2 plus 5, 7, 5, 0, 5, 6, 3, 9, and 9, 1, 10. Right? This is how can we add two matrices. Now let us check the reverse. 5, 6, 3, 4, 9, 5, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 2, 5, 6, 9. 5, 2, 7, 6, 3, 9, 3, 4, 7, 4, 1, 5, 9, 0, 9, 5, 2, 7, 0, 5, 5, 3, 6, 9, and 1, 9, 10. See, when we change the place of the matrix, there is no effect on the result. 797, 797, 597, 597, 597. We will get the same result. Means addition of the matrix is a commutative process, or I can say is a commutative operation. Now let us check the associativity. To check the associativity, we have to take three matrices, right? A, B, take another matrix C, I, J, M cross N. Always keep this fact in your mind that matrices of the same order can be added. Different order matrices cannot be added. So order हमेशा same रखना है, right? So to check the associativity, A plus B plus C, right? Aij plus Bij plus Cij. So first of all, solve the bracket. Aij plus, it will become a new matrix whose ijth element looks like this, Bij plus Cij. Right? Now add these two matrices Aij plus Bij plus Cij. Any problem in this step? No. Now after this, let us come to here. It can also be written as Aij plus Bij plus Cij. So it is A plus B plus C. Means matrix addition is associative. There is no effect of bracket on the addition. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. You can also check this result by taking some different examples. So note down this property. Matrix addition is associative. What is the property? Matrix addition is associative. Right? This is the property. And this is the proof of this property. So note down this. Pause the video at this point and note down the results.